Continuing with the topic getting functionals with Tally. First of all, we can summarize all the portions discussed with reference to the introductory area of Tally, getting functions Tally. First one is meaning of the term Tally. This is a software which is used to run the accounting day-to-day transactions. Day-to-day business or accounting transactions are recorded using Tally ERP9 or Tally software easily. The latest version is Tally Prime introduced in the year 2020, and it is one of the mostly used financial accounting and inventory management system. Financial accounting and inventory management systems can be integrated easily with Tally. Next one is this is software, accounting software, which can integrate with other areas such as sales, finance, purchasing, marketing, inventory, payroll, etc. And it stores all the business transactions of each account in detail. It uses double entry system. That is, to receive something, an equal amount should be credited. Because of this feature, it will eliminate all the possible errors. Next one is it supports multi-languages. Because of this feature, this is known as multilingual Tally software, and accounts can be in one language and reports in another language. And at a time, this much companies can be stored in Tally. 99999 companies. 5 times 9 companies can be created. Or in another words, 1 lakh minus 1 companies can be there in the software Tally. Another version is the provision of payroll or employee management. And multi-location feature is available in software. That is, location is not a barrier. Next is consolidated financial transactions can be viewed using the software like journal entries, balance sheet, trading and profit and loss account, etc., trial balance, etc. And here, single and multiples group can be viewed. For example, sundry creditors, sundry debtors, fixed assets, current liabilities, etc. And looking at the advantages, some of them have already been discussed. First one is data reliability and security. That is, here the data entered will be reliable and secure. Second one is payroll management. So, before giving monetary allowances or benefits to the company's employees, several calculations need to be done. So, using the software, the feature payroll management, calculations can be done automatically. It includes net deductions, net payments, bonuses, taxes, etc. Just need to do some configurations. After that, you can just do auto calculations and get net salary and gross salary of each employee automatically. Next is banking sector calculations. Banks always makes use of certain interest amounts. Banks always provides interest and cuts interest. So all those transactions, the amount of interest will be recorded easily using the software. Automatically calculations are done, making the software easy for the banking software also, business also. Next one is regulation of data across geographical area. Can manage the data of the organization globally. I have already discussed 24/7 we can use the software. Sitting at the place of convenience. Location is not a barrier for the term. Only we need to install the software. That is only the requirement. And it can synchronize or integrate all the branches of the company together. So matter location, whether it is all can use the software easily. It has uniform format throughout. Next one is ease of managing a budget. Mainly companies will be preparing budget. To know, companies or individuals will be preparing budgets to know the amount of cash inflows and cash outflows. For having a look at the future expenses to control cost in future. Budget is to be prepared. So, how to prepare a budget in Tally? It is also done easily. The provision of budget management is also there. Companies can work and manage expenses by preparing budget using the software very easily. And already stated, calculations are simple and easier. There is a provision of auto calculator inside Tally. Apart from that, calculations will be done automatically if you have done the format correctly. Next is tax filing. Companies are supposed to file mini taxes such as Tally GST. So GST is the latest tax provision, and all the GST norms are taken ahead by the software. And apart from GST, things like service tax, tax returns, excise VAT, value added tax. Even though VAT is abolished, some of the companies are still using VAT. So excise VAT, VAT filing, TDS return, tax deducted at source, TDS, and profit and loss account statements for all the businesses are maintained using the software. Once again, tax management includes Tally GST, goods and service tax, VAT filing, excise tax, service tax returns, TDS filing. Like those tax related transactions can be done easily. Next is audit compliance. Tally acts as an audit tool, that is to carry out regular audits or inspect the records of the business easily of each company at regular intervals is also there. The provision of Tally audit is there towards the financial year beginning and ensures that all the monetary transactions are done smoothly and speedily with less error or zero error. Next is remote access of data. That is, employees can access Tally financial data. They will have a unique user ID and password. Just log in to the software using the same and then do the transactions by sitting at their office or house, whichever they want. Quick access to documents. Tally can save all the invoices, receipts, bill, vouchers, etc. in its archive folder. So whenever we can, those data in the archive folder, you can access it. You can retrieve the bill related transactions, previously stored documents. Next is how to start the software. You can just press on the icon, this icon, or go to the start option, then select this one, Tally.ERP9 version. Afterwards, just press work in educational mode. Now you can see the main entrance or main screen of the Tally software. Then how to close the software, same way. You should press escape key from the keyboard or until we get the message quit. If you want to quit, press yes. Next one is to quit. You can press Y from the keyboard, and to quit software without a confirmation message, press Ctrl plus Q. The software will be closed automatically. Next is you can click the quit option which is available on the top right view. So you can select any of these four provisions to close the software. Next is the screen components in the software. Title bar, horizontal bar, close button, gateway of Tally, buttons, toolbar, calculator area, info panel, date and time. First one is title bar, just displays the title of the version you are using. This is horizontal button bar, displays icons such as keyboard settings, support center, language, control center, help, etc. Next is close button, to close the software or window. Next is task bar, which will display the task which is done by the software at the time. Gateway of Tally, you can see the menu, screen, reports, etc. Info panel, that is information details are stored here. The license detail, configuration details, Tally version, etc. And the calculation area you can use to do the calculation options. Buttons toolbar displays button that can be used for having user interactions, immediate interaction with Tally. It can display only the buttons which are applicable to the current task. Next one, date and time. The current date and time of using the software transactions will be maintained using date and time. Once again, the screen components includes title bar, horizontal bar, close button, gateway of Tally, calculator area, info panel, date and time. Hope this much is clear for everyone. The topic Tally is completed. Theoretical aspects are completed here. Thank you for your patient listening.